Welcome to the Moral Story Squad!
Story time. Mimi and the Cookie Crumbs. Mimi carried a tray of Stark cookies to the meadow picnic. Mimi chases a butterfly and bumps the tray against a stone. Mimi watches 3 cookies break into crumbs. Mimi almost hides the crumbs under a napkin. Mimi hears friends asking who brought the broken cookies. Mimi takes a breath and says, "I broke them by accident." Mimi expects everyone to be angry. Mimi helps turn the crumbs into tiny cookie sprinkles for fruit cups. Friends cheer because the new treat tastes wonderful. Mimi learns that telling the truth gave everyone a chance to fix the mistake. Moral of the story: honesty is brave because it helps everyone repair the truth.